way before I was an actress. But after this, I changed because I always like creating things and all. So I became a developer, and I was like, okay, I'm delivering things, and I don't know if it's secure, and I want obviously I want my customer to trust me, so I want to make sure that what I deliver is secure and that they won't have any problem after or anything. So that's how I started to to Google about cybersecurity and how do you securize your applications and everything. And that's how I discovered Pentest. And I was like, wow, this is really amazing because you get to learn about different vulnerabilities. The fact that I was going to learn something different and something new every day is really nice because you don't have the same day. Every day is different. And also, you get to help people, which is a value that is really important to me. I really believe in cyberpeace, and I want to achieve it. This is a way to help achieve cyberpeace, to protect people, protect citizens, protect governments. And when I discovered it, it has a lot of values that were dear to my heart, and that I had to do it.